Class 10 Physical Activity Trainer Unit 4. Monitoring and Inventory Management.
Welcome to my channel Class Winners Books.
Unit 4. Monitoring and Inventory Management. Easy Classroom Explainer times Process times Tools times Templates times Space School Context. What is inventory management? Planning, tracking, and controlling stock of goods, materials, and equipment. Goal: right item, right quantity, right place, right time, at the lowest sensible cost. Balances supply with demand to avoid stockouts and excess holding. Why it matters: hot points. Planning: set goals for stock levels and service levels. Forecasting: predict demand from usage and seasonality. Tracking: monitor stock in real time or via regular counts. Replenishment: reorder on time with clear triggers. Props MGMT: categorize, label, store, maintain. Inventory process, step by step. 1. Planning: set min-max levels, reorder points, service targets. 2. Forecasting demand: analyze past use, timetable, seasons, events. 3. Replenishment plan: suppliers, lead times, order quantities. 4. Receiving and inspection: check quality, quantity, and damage. 5. Storage and organization: label, bin locations. Forecasting demand: simple. Use last term's usage plus upcoming. Activities events. Adjust for seasonality, sports seasons, exams, holidays. Consider lead time, days from order to arrival. Talk to coaches, teachers about planned programs. Reorder point: when to buy more. Reorder point is equal to average daily use times lead time plus safety stock. Safety stock cushions variability in usage or delivery delays. Example: use is equal to 4 cones day, lead is equal to 5 days. Safety is equal to 10, ROP is equal to 4 times 5 plus 10 is equal to 30. Receiving and inspection. Match delivery to purchase order and invoice. Check counts, damage, and specs. Reject record issues. Label items and update records before putting away. Storage and organization, pay school. Categorize: balls, rackets, cones, mats, first aid, electronics. Label shelves, bins, use color codes, keep a location map. FIFO for consumables: heavy items low, fragile items protected. Safety: clear aisles, secure racks, dry ventilated spaces. Issuing: checkout and reservations. Checkout sheet or digital log: who, what, quantity, date, due back. Reservations for high-demand items to avoid clashes. On return, inspect, clean, record condition, update stock. Periodic inventory checks: why and how. Ensure accurate records for planning and budgeting. Reveal losses, fraud, improve order fulfillment reliability. Cycle count: ABC, A, weekly, B, monthly, C, term end. Full stocktake at term year end, reconcile differences. Loss control and compliance. Separate duties: ordering versus receiving versus record keeping. Secure storage: sign-outs, serial numbers for high-value items. Audit trail: who edited what, keep invoices and maintenance logs. Follow any regulatory insurance requirements. Managing props and equipment. Quick guide. Inventory assessment: master list of items needed by activity. Categorize and label: type, size, set number, barcode, QR optional. Storage: zones for movement, art, sensory, safety. Materials. Maintenance schedule: clean, repair, replace, log work done. Training: handling, storage rules, and safety. Periodic inventory checklist. Heavy checkmark physical count versus records for sampled items, ABC classes. Heavy checkmark inspect condition, mark items, needs maintenance, if required. Heavy checkmark verify locations, update map, remove obsolete items. Heavy checkmark investigate discrepancies, document actions taken. Heavy checkmark update reorder points based on recent. Quick tips, make it work in schools. Start with a simple spreadsheet, move to software later if needed. Use unique IDs, print labels, consider QR codes for fast checkouts. Schedule cycle counts on the calendar, share responsibilities. Train students staff on checkout etiquette and return condition. Review monthly, top 10 items by usage. Summary, streamline supplies and keep learning active. Plan, forecast, replenish, receive, store, issue, track, check, improve. Accurate records is equal to better lessons, safer sessions, and smarter budgets. Templates included to start today, customize for your school.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Class Winner Books.